Hi everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Now, if you've looked out your window, you will see that stormy British weather is back, which only means comfort food is back on the menu, and one of our firm favourites here at the Fish Society is Orzo pasta. One of the most popular pairings for this dish is prawns, and we've got some beautiful fresh ingredients here that is really going to bring this dish to life. So we're going to start by adding a nice knob of butter, melting that down. So I'm just going to add some garlic now that I've pre-chopped, ready to go in. You want a little bit of salt and pepper for some seasoning. And a nice squeeze of lemon juice. And you can just start to see them turning colour. So just as these have started to turn colour and have plumped up, nice, big and juicy, we're going to set them aside and start adding in all our other ingredients. Now you just want to add in the cubes of courgette. So we're just waiting to get a little bit of colour on these before we start adding all our other vegetables. So here I've got a mixture of peas, some broad beans and some green beans. All the nutritious goodness of a lovely dish. So now these are nicely seared off and coated in lots of butter and garlic. We're going to add a good helping of cream, a touch more seasoning, another squeeze of lemon juice. So I'm just letting this simmer until all the vegetables are nice and al dente. Before the main event, Mr. Parmesan cheese. So for those of you that are unfamiliar with Orzo, it's going to be in your shopping basket next time you've tried this recipe, because there is tiny little grains of pasta that looks very like rice and it's very delicious. And you cook it just like you do pasta for 8 to 10 minutes in a saucepan in some boiling water. So I'm just going to start transferring this in to the mixture. So now this is all nicely heated through, we're going to send back in these lovely prawns. Look at the size of them! And I like to finish off with some lemon zest. And there we have it, your next family favourite. Creamy Orzo pasta with king prawns, and we've got courgettes, beans, peas, lots of lemon juice, garlic, and as I said, these gorgeous king prawns.